Now we will talk about Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable is the most typical cable for internet, and you will see it in your home, in your office space. You will see it everywhere when you are trying to connect to internet. And it has a specific connector, which is RJ45, and you plug this Ethernet cable to an RJ45 Ethernet port. The most typical type for Ethernet cable is unshielded twisted pair, which is UTP. UTP comes in 3 different types: Cat5 and Cat5e, Cat6 and Cat6a, and Cat7. These are available in different varieties and they have different speeds, different bandwidths, and we will all talk about them. As you can see, they all have cat in common. The cat means category. So this is category 5, 5e, category 6, category 6a, and category 7. And you will also know about different speeds, different bandwidths, and distance limitations for your Ethernet cables. Cat5 is not used anymore, and it's an old standard. It's an old category cable. The transmission speed is 100 megabits per second, the bandwidth is 100 megahertz, and distance limitation is 100 meters, or 328 feet. And when you go up to the category from 5 to 7, you will increase the transmission speed. 5e and 6 have the same transmission speed, which is 1 gigabit per second. The bandwidth increases in Cat6, and in Cat7 it even goes up to 1000 megahertz. But the distance limitation is not changed because Ethernet has the distance limitation of 100 meters.